First of all, let's take out our hard drive. Then we'll connect it to a computer. As you can see, I was already using a laptop hard drive. Now let's connect the SATA data, then the SATA power. Now let's close the enclosure. Now I'll power the computer on. So I generally recommend that if your hard disk already has an operating system, please reinstall one, as the graphics driver will collide with the graphics on the motherboard or the graphics card you are using, so it will not be able to boot. But if you have Windows 10, it may. In Windows 7 it will not, it will collide. Now this is a normal power connector of a SATA. Now in desktop hard drive, the 12-volt power supplies are connected. But in laptop hard disk, the 12-volt power supplies are internally removed. It's just present on the connector so that it gets the grip. So it is safe to use a laptop hard disk in a desktop.